In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Facebook using Make.com. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your Facebook posting process, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, navigate to Make.com. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to register and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Now, to begin setting up your Facebook post automation, click on the Scenarios tab. This is where you'll create a customized process for automating your posting to Facebook. Next, you'll want to click on Create a Scenario. This option allows you to start building your desired automation from scratch. When you're ready, type Facebook into the search bar. This helps in filtering through the applications, bringing Facebook to the forefront. Since the list can be extensive, click on Show More to ensure you can see all available options. In the search results, highlight Facebook to select it. This action helps in streamlining the scenario setup process by focusing on the right application. Now, you'll need to click on the option that triggers when a new lead is created. It's an exciting feature because it allows your Facebook posts to be timely and relevant based on new lead data. With that trigger set, the next step is to create a webhook. A webhook acts like a courier service, taking data from one spot to another, ensuring your lead data can effectively prompt a post. Just click on Create a Webhook to get started. After setting up your webhook, it's time to establish a stable connection between the systems. For this, click on Create a Connection. A secure connection guarantees that your lead data and Facebook posts interact correctly. Lastly, don't forget to hit Save. This crucial step ensures all your hard work in configuring the automation doesn't go to waste and that it will be activated successfully. Keep in mind to double-check each step to avoid any mishaps. By following these steps, you're well on your way to fully utilizing Make.com for posting directly to Facebook. Automation not only saves you time, but also ensures consistent communication with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your journey into automated Facebook posting is as seamless as possible.